Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern. This pattern is easy and beautiful, incredible. This pattern for baby blanket. So I hope you will enjoy it. So I'm gonna show you in white color. Okay. So my hand little bit horrible today. I use some things for cleaning, but it make my hand is really hard. So this one loop. So this pattern for you can make any even number. You can make 90 chains, or you can make 100, 110, just like even number. 120, whatever size do you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I made 30 chains for my model. So in second, not this count on the hook one, this one skip, second one I'm gonna make single crochet. So at the end I should have 29 single crochet. So viewers, I'm using double knitting yarn. This recommend 4mm hook. I'm using 4mm hook. You should read whatever color yarn you using. You should read the label of the yarn. You know what yarn said which hook number have to use. So look, I feel today I'm feeling so uncomfortable because my hand is really rough. So I'll show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end of this row. I made all single crochet again, chain 1. I'm gonna make again. So in this, always you need to make 2 rows with single crochet. Okay, I'm gonna continue with this row as well with single crochet like this. So I'll show you at the end. So I'm gonna continue like this. So you can see I have 2 single crochet rows. You can see how it look like. So now I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, chain 3, then turn, yarn over. I'm not gonna make same stitch, and I'm not gonna make here. I'm gonna make here next. Like this, yarn over again. So same and the bottom here. I'm gonna make again that double crochet like this. So I'm gonna make then tie them together. yarn over, next stitch. Again same process, last loop on the hook, yarn over, then same in the bottom, this hole. So you can see in the bottom. So here, or you can say down below, next stitch, last loop on the hook, yarn over, then same down there. Yarn over, last loop on the hook, yarn over, again down. That's why you need 2 rows with single crochet. Yarn over, yarn over, down below, close, yarn over, down there. Last loop on the hook, yarn over, down there. Last loop on the hook, here, last loop on the hook, down there. So you can see always you have to make like one up there, one down here hole. You can see because they are both rows with single crochet. So again, last loop on the hook, yarn over, down, yarn over, last loop on the hook, yarn over, down there in the hole. So I'm gonna continue like this row. So viewers, my hands today, they're annoying me. I need to cheat them. Always like this. So when you make this row, just one row, then with single crochet you need 2 rows with single crochet. So viewers, I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I'm at the end, yarn over. At the end, I'm gonna make just triple crochet here. Like take 1 loop off, then 2 loops off, then 2 loops off, like this. So you can see how it's look like. It's, believe me, it's very incredible pattern for blanket. Chain 1, then turn, make again single crochet each stitch. So you should have same amount, like I have 29 single crochet. I need 29. I need to make 2 rows with single crochet always for this pattern. Look. So I'll show you at the end. I'm gonna make this single crochet as well and 1 row more as well. Okay, this row I'm at the end now. So don't forget this chain 3. You have to make the 1 single crochet, okay, inside top of this chain 3. So again chain 1, I'm gonna make again with this row with single crochet, okay. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. Okay, well, these two, I made these 2 single crochet rows well again. So I need to make again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So yarn over, same process I'm gonna make here. Last loop on the hook, yarn over, down below there, then close them together, yarn over, next stitch, so close together, next stitch, yarn over, down there, so in this pattern you don't need anything, skip anything, okay, just each stitch you need to make. Like this. This pattern just multiple 1. Just you need to make in the down, same stitch down below. Then 3 loop on the hook, then closed. So each stitch, viewers. I hope now you understand this pattern. Nothing different. Just remember 2 single crochet row, 1 this with this double crochet row. just repeat like this until your project end. So at the end you should have with two single crochet row like this. When you finish you should have this at the end with two single crochet row. Like this. So I'm doing very slowly. I hope you can understand, you can see really well. Down below. Next stitch. Next stitch. Down below. Yarn over. Next, just at the end make like triple like this. Chain one, then turn. So I'm gonna make again single crochet, two rows with single crochet. I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end this pattern how it does look like. So I'm gonna just continue like this, nothing different. Okay viewers, I am at the end of this model. You can see it's pretty. This pattern is so pretty and it does very good quality for baby blanket. You can make scarf, but I prefer to make just baby blanket. It's pretty good pattern for baby blanket and easy to. You can see edges. You can see this way. So incredible this pattern. I hope you will like it. Please, if you like and share and thumbs up please. Like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So I hope you will like it.